Hey, what's up Bittorrent holders? So this is the live price prediction of Bittorrent coin, my brother, and this time as you can see here the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and definitely remember, my brothers, to the price will increasing, so 2.94% the price is increased. And my friend, in this video I will give you something very special information about Bittorrent. And remember, to this is the price prediction video, so kindly please remember, this is not a financial video, and absolutely, my friends, please research personally before you take any decision. Alright, this time, my friends, Bittorrent will moving upwards, so definitely the holder are very interested in Bittorrent. They are interesting, and because the price is increasing now, so every coin, my friend, in a crypto market when moving upward, so people are starting interesting and they will starting investing, and absolutely they are starting holding, and the price will moving upward more and more. So therefore Bittorrent is also one of them, my friends. Today the price of Bittorrent will very fastly increasing, the volume, absolutely everything also increasing, and 2.94% they will get a profit. 0.200450 USD dollar is the highest price, and you can see here 0.004255 USD dollar is the, my friend, current price. So I think there is no very large difference. Absolutely the price is same, but I am 100% sure to this time the price will increasing, so I know to in upcoming time they will easily hit the highest price now. So kindly holder, I think you need, my friends, to watch this video completely, because I am going to predicate this coin. Alright, so please like video and subscribe channel. My brother, my prediction is totally going to be positive, I will clearly tell you, because my friend, from last 3 years I will predicate this coin. I have experience, my brother, to remember to after a fail every coin will take a jump. So therefore, as you can see, my friend, after this jump they will fail down, but after this fail they will also take a very huge jump down. So every coin will moving in this circulation. If you just, and only, my friends, check out this chart. So just a minute, my friend, as you can see here, my friend, they will fail down. Absolutely they will moving in this circulation, jump and dump, my friend, you can see here. So every coin will moving in this circulation. So why you not understand? So this is holding time. Please hold. I know, to my friend, if you just hold 7 to 8 days, I am 100% sure to end of month they will give you a very good profit. There is a chance to they will hit now 0.1 USD dollar. So kindly holders, you need to hold, and absolutely you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time, holder. Please like video, subscribe this channel.